Well, trying out the GoPro, walking in Sugarland with my wife. So this is the day. It rained today, and so the weather's nice. Everything's nice and clean. The air is fresh. What's up, bro? You look like you're happy, man.
Yeah.
Happy day, huh? Happy day.
Yeah.
He's always smiling. Yeah. Wait. We don't ride the bike no more. Before we ride all the way to the park. When we first came here, we always ride the bike all the way to the park. Now we don't want to ride the bike no more. So one thing about Texas is that everything is green. That's one thing about living here. Most parts of Texas, well, the eastern part, as you can see, there's a lot of green grass. And right now, spring, so you see the flower growing, flower budding. It's May, springtime.